Namaskar, my dear friends. Today we are learning an important topic. Yes, it is important for every age, for male and female. That is, how to make our face very beauty. Yes, my dear friends. Isn't it? It is important or not? Yes. So there are so many techniques and there are so many methods to make our face is very beautiful. The thing is, naturally, without any cosmetics and creams and any other uh, cosmetics with the help, so there is no use, my dear friends. If you making your face naturally beauty, that beauty is very nice. But if you make with any artificial with creams, and that will be again in the future, the skin layers, the skin of the face will be get spoiled. So that in yoga, there are wonderful methods, and I will tell you the simple two things today to make our face very beautiful. And then, even there are scars or any pimples, acne, and any other foldings will get disappear by doing these two simple techniques. So the first thing is one pranayama and one exercise movement, tapping movement. I will show you. The first pranayama is you just close your ears. You just close your ears and close your eyes. Then we have to breathe in through our mouth only, like this. And then fill the mouth completely. And then after filling that, you have to puffing that chewing your air in the mouth itself and chewing and side to side movement like this. I will show you once like this. This is one round, my dear friends. So like this, we have to do 5 times. 5 times. It will take only 1 to 2 minutes. Then this is the first pranayama. The next tapping movement. Yes. So with these 4 fingers, you just tap your face from forehead like this. From forehead and sides temporals and under the ears and then cheeks and then sides of the lips and jaws and till chin, and then again upward movement, again jaws, cheeks, under the ears and sides temporals, and again forehead. Like this with eyes closed, and just tapping only 1 minute, only 1 minute. Yes. After this tapping, just for 10 times, massage your eyes this way. Then slowly, a few seconds or 10 to 15 seconds, you just be with eyes closed. You can see the changes and some vibrations and tingling sensations. That is because of the peripheral nervous system and stimulated with the tapping, so that the blood circulation and nerve circulation will get cleared. And by doing this movement, your pimples and marks and folds, they will get disappear within 21 days, my dear friends, with the help of this facial beauty pranayama and then tapping technique. If you do these two techniques 3 minutes, only 3 minutes enough, and 2 times a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. If you do 2 times a day, just 21 days, you can change a lot of, you can see a lot of change, my dear friends. And you can take a picture, your facial level. So before and after like that, you can start from today and you take a photo, and then after 21 days again take the another photo, and you can compare with the both pictures. Yes, you can see a lot of change. And this is very, very important, my dear friends. I think it will be very, very useful for everyone, for everyone. So I hope you will practice for 21 days and you can tell me the feedback. Thank you very much, my dear friends, and have a beauty face. Thank you. Namaste.